uh, we already lost.
Your 2 cents, your reaction regarding the recent the Senate hearing. How do you find it? Because I think Senator Bongo earlier said it was too late, the hero.
Well, actually, oo. Tayo yung buong bansa natin, we already lost a former president. So, late na tayo. Kaya nga, sinabi ko kanina kung hindi ko lang maalala kung nasabi ko ba. Pero ways forward na lang tayo. Unang-una, sino ang mananagot? But we don't expect na merong papanagutin. Pangalawa, anong gagawin natin as a country, as a nation, moving forward? May darating na eleksyon. Ano bang dapat natin gawin dyan? Ang gusto ng lahat, pagbabago. So, meron tayong option na 10 senador at meron pa tayong daming tanong sa nangyari sa ating budget sa ngayon, no? Public funds is expended in a constitutionally infirm document. So, ano bang gagawin ng bansa? Ituloy natin ang demand natin for transparency, accountability, peace and security para sa ating bayan.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Also, I just want to ask regarding the defense because po na-interview si Attorney Kaufman and he said he's very confident that he can, the case can be speedily dismissed. Do you share that sentiment, and where do you think is he coming from?
It is best if you ask him to elaborate on his answers. Pero alam niya naman, as a relative, no, as a Filipino citizen, matagal na ang isang araw. Matagal na sa atin ang 2 araw. Pero for lawyers, alam mo, meron yan silang sarili nilang mga timelines, no? Kung paano yung proseso sa loob ng korte. But as a relative, as a daughter, I just feel na, and as a citizen, as a Filipino citizen, masyado nang matagal ang isang araw.
Ma'am, one last question. I don't want to sound cheesy, but it has been a heavy week. And I think my last question would be, how are you?
I'm okay. Surprisingly, I'm okay. Wala naman akong nararamdaman na wala akong nararamdaman. So on that point, I don't think I'm okay. Wala akong nakakatulog naman ako maayos. Siguro dahil sa pagod nung isang buong araw ng meetings dito. At meron akong saktong tulog, meron akong saktong kain. Ang worry ko lang is yung mga anak ko dahil hindi talaga yan sila sanay na wala ako. Nasanay kasi sila, lumaki kasi sila na katabi ko yan sila sa tulog. At ngayon, yung youngest, no, na anak ko, yan yung katabi ko sa tulog. So, yan yung worry ko, yung aking mga anak. Dahil nawalan sila ng nanay. Yan yung hindi ko kasi magawa remotely, yung pagiging nanay. Pero yung trabaho dito at trabaho dyan sa Pilipinas, kung saan man ako, ay magawa ko siya remotely. So, as long as merong mga teams, designated teams na in charge doon. Like say for example, sa OVP, may team doon. Sa impeachment case ko, may team doon. Pagdating naman dito sa ICC case ni Pangulong Duterte, may team dito. Kaya ko siya gawin kahit saan man ako sa mundo. Ang hindi ko magawa is maging nanay remotely.
Meron